All right, getting into it. This is day number 13 of the Best Easy Work Relaunch 30-day series. So in today's video, I'm going to give you yet another traffic source. So you know what? You can't have enough traffic to make this business work or any business work. What you need in any business is lots of traffic. So this traffic source is another traffic source to put in your arsenal to go ahead and get traffic from. So the name of this traffic source is called Classifieds for Free. And this traffic source has been around for a while. And it's pretty much similar to, posting on any of those classified sites with a twist like a Craigslist and a Backpage kind of a feel. So a very simple platform to use. So you know what to do. The action step today is check the down below in the description box. You'll find the link to get to this site. And of course, I'm going to walk you through and give you a quick run through of how to get up and going with this site. So the traffic source classifies for free, and this is what it looks like. You see, it looks like just like any other classified sites that you've been on. And pretty easy, simple process to get started. When you get to the site, what you want to do is click register over here where this arrow is pointing, and you have to register in order to start using it, but it's really simple and very quick. So once you click register, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. So you just want to fill out your details here. Of course, make sure you use your junk email and you put the advertising website that you're advertising. And then once you get that, you are logged in. That was as simple as that. You don't have to confirm anything. You just go straight into start posting. And all you want to do is just hit this posting link right here, or this posting tab right here, and then it opens up a new page, and then you're able to type your ad. So this was my ad that I placed on the platform here. Simple headline: make money from home in your spare time. Got a catchy little body text here. Got my link to my lead capture page here, and I put it in the business opportunity section, and I put a picture with it. So that is the simple process of making this thing work. So I'm going to go to the back office here and show you what that is all about. So once you have access to the back office, all you got to do is come here and make sure you just hit post my ad. And when you click post my ad, you'll see it comes up with a box. You get to select what you want to do. The beautiful thing in this is that it advertised in the US. Now look at this. Look how great this is. You can put wherever you want. So for this ad, I'm going to put California. And for the city, I'm going to put maybe Berkeley. And I'm going to leave this blank. So if you want to advertise, say, outside of the US, like you want to target a different country, you can certainly do that. So that's pretty fantastic. And the neat thing about being able to geo-target, they call it, is the idea that, you know what, chances are your competitors aren't doing that, right? I mean, imagine creating an ad or a lead capture page that says, let's see what country, let's find a country. Let's find Ireland. Imagine create a lead capture that says, attention, people who live in Ireland. So you're speaking directly to them. When they click on that, they're like, you know what, this person is speaking directly to me. I'm in Ireland. And you kind of craft some message about something in Ireland and funnel them through a business opportunity. So you can say, Ireland, you can start making money online with this simple process. And people in Ireland, I'm opening up a new market in Ireland. If you want to get in the ground floor of a great opportunity, click here, right? So you're targeting people directly in Ireland or directly in any other country that you want. So that would be a great targeting factor you could use on this platform. So that's just a tip right there. Now, and of course you could do that in all these different counties as well. So all these different cities, you could definitely create a headline that says, attention, looking for distributors in Berkeley, California. 10 immediate openings right now. So you could do whatever you want. So that's the beauty of marketing online, is that you're able to be your own marketer, right? Be your own boss and decide how you're going to market. No one dictates to you how you're going to market. So you could craft your advertising, your marketing to really suit what you want to do and really stand out from the crowd. Because if you're doing everything the crowd's doing, chances are that's when you have saturation. They talk about saturation. That's when you have saturation happening in the market. But even in the same business opportunity, if you separate yourself away from the other marketers in the same business you're in, then the market is wide open for you. You're not competing with anyone in your organization for, business. So just keep that in mind when you go on these platforms and start advertising. So those were some quick tips. Now back to it. I can put, make. Now let's see what I had for this one. Make money from home in your spare time. So I'm going to use the same headline. Make money from home in your spare time. Alright, and then for the category, what I'm going to do is select category, business opportunities. So you can see business opportunity there. Contact email, I'm going to leave blank because I don't want them to contact me. I don't want a phone number. I don't want them to contact me, but I do want them to go visit my course. You guessed it, lead capture page. So that's what I'm going to put in this box right here. So that's what you want to be using. Your website, pretty much whatever you're advertising, that's the link you're going to put in this website URL thing. And then that's it. It says you could use an image. So if you want to use an image, just use an image you have in your computer. You're going to hit choose. When you hit choose, it's going to open your computer, and then you can find the image you want and click upload. When it uploads it, all you got to do is click. So if you have more than one image here, just decide which image you want to use and click on it. And then when you click on it, just hit post or description. Of course, you want a description. Make sure you put a description in the box, or else it's not going to like it. So you can see that if there's something it needs you to put in, it's going to make sure you put it in. So I'm going to say make a great part-time income from home. Make a great part-time income from home. Giving away free stuff. Alright. And then I'm just going to hit post the ad. And we're going to see if that one took. And if it did, that means you did everything right. Alright, so another one posted. So I posted 2 ads in 2 different areas. So one thing you could do if you're looking to really ramp things up is to check. You could post different ads, but post different links in those ads. And if you're getting a lot of people from, say, Miami versus from California, you know which ad's pulling. So if you create a different ad and put one in Miami, and create a totally different ad, like the headline's different, the body is different, you could definitely test which headlines and which bodies are working much better. You could test 2 ads against each other, because this way it will give you a good indication, which ads are pulling. So that's another tip of what you could do to see and tweak and test which ads are pulling. And if you find a good winning ad, then you could blast it all over. So that is it. So what you want to do, this is a very simple platform as you see. Just come here, start posting your ads in different areas, make up some different ad copy just to test different ones, post it in different areas here, and just, come back here and really get to know the site, because this is another site in your arsenal to get traffic, and it's a great USA traffic source, as you could see, that you could post in a lot of cities like you can do on Craigslist, right? So that's all you need to do today, guys, is check the link in the description box, get access to this new traffic source called Classifieds for free.